looking for something? I'm late. I know. Then contracts. Let's see.
Well, we waited a long time.
And we gave up as usual. You call this vegetation a meal after a 10-hour workday? What the hell am I, a rabbit? Christ, Alice, try to think a little more.
I can think of how sick I am of watching you drink your life away and taking it out on me.
Alice, Alice, I'm talking to you. Are you awake or what?
Yeah, don't start.
Start what? Having the little daydreaming to wake up? It's long overdue.
I don't need this aggravation.